Welcome back. This is script 4 of 6 in our series on Claude. Today we're covering Anthropic's constitutional AI approach. So what exactly is constitutional AI? It's not about giving AI voting rights or teaching it to filibuster, I promise. Constitutional AI is Anthropic's innovative method for aligning AI systems like Claude with human values. Think of it as giving Claude a moral compass and an instruction manual for behaving properly in human society. You know how parents create house rules for their kids? No running with scissors, don't put gum in your sister's hair. Basic civilization stuff. Well, Anthropic created a constitution for Claude, a set of principles that guides how it responds to us humans. Now, you might be thinking, why not just tell the AI to be helpful, harmless, and honest and call it a day? If only it were that simple. That's like telling a teenager to make good choices without explaining what that means. Constitutional AI gets specific about values and behaviors. Here's where it gets interesting and slightly weird. The training process involves Claude critiquing itself. Imagine if you had a little version of yourself sitting on your shoulder, constantly saying, maybe don't say that, or that's not quite right. That's basically what Anthropic does with Claude. They have Claude generate responses, then have another instance of Claude evaluate those responses based on the constitutional principles, and then improve them. It's like AI therapy. How does that response make you feel, Claude? Well, Claude, I think I could be more helpful and less likely to accidentally help someone build a nuclear reactor in their garage. The Constitution itself includes principles like avoiding harmful, illegal, or unethical content, being honest, respecting privacy, and generally being helpful without being harmful. It's not just about avoiding the obviously bad stuff. It's about navigating complex situations where values might conflict. For example, if someone asks Claude how to hack into a computer system, the Constitution guides it to decline helpfully rather than either providing a detailed tutorial or responding with a cold, "I can't help with that." It's finding that sweet spot between usefulness and responsibility. What makes this approach unique is that it's more flexible than hard-coding specific rules. Instead of programming thousands of if-then statements, the constitutional approach helps Claude develop something closer to judgment and wisdom. It's like teaching someone to fish ethically, rather than just giving them specific fish to avoid. The results speak for themselves. Claude tends to be more nuanced in its responses, especially around sensitive topics, compared to some other AI systems. It's less likely to inadvertently help with harmful activities while still being genuinely helpful for legitimate uses. Of course, it's not perfect. No AI system is. Constitutional AI is a work in progress, and Anthropic continues refining both the Constitution and the training process. It's like raising a digital child. There's always more teaching to do. The constitutional approach also helps address the black box problem in AI. Rather than having an inscrutable system making decisions, there's a clearer framework for why Claude responds the way it does. It's like having the answer key to a test. You can check the work. So next time you're chatting with Claude and it politely declines to help you with your master plan for world domination, you can thank constitutional AI for keeping us all a little safer. This was script 4 of 6. For more information and to continue learning, visit dmpgh.com. That's dmpgh.com. Thanks for watching, and keep growing that brain.